Do you know that some portion of your money will be deducted as taxes when you withdraw a certain amount of cash from your own bank? Yes, guys, this provision was effective from 1st September 2019 and it has got a major update in Finance Act 2020 which you should be aware of. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akash Bukaria and today I am going to explain in simple way what is this tax deduction on cash withdrawal. So stay tuned guys.
Alright guys, to give you a proper understanding of this concept, I will begin the presentation with an example. That is scenario before introduction of TDS on cash withdrawal. Then I will be briefing you about the introduction of newly introduced section 194N with an example, which will be followed by two more proviso added to this section 194N in Finance Act 2020 with an example. So prior to introduction of this section, if a person holds multiple accounts with one bank and withdraws cash during a year of any amount, then there was no such concept of tax deduction at source or withholding of taxes. In this example, a person holds three different accounts in one bank through different branch, that is Andheri East, Bandra and Thane, and he withdrew cash on various dates during the previous year 1819 amounting to rupees 1.2 crores. Yet there was no such tax deduction or withholding of taxes. However, in order to promote digital transactions and discourage cash transaction, the government introduced section 194N, that is TDS on certain amount of cash withdrawal from bank. So let me explain it to you in short than reading it out through section. If any person withdraws any amount from bank registered under Banking Regulation Act or cooperative society engaged in banking business or a post office in excess of 1 crore, then for the excess amount such bank, cooperative society or post office will deduct TDS at 2%. So, in this example, as you can see, the person withdrew cash from three different branches of one bank on a different dates, which exceeded rupees 1 crore on 1st Feb 2020, and accordingly, the bank has deducted TDS at the rate of 2% on excess amount above 1 crore, which is 40,000, and remitted the balance to the account holder. So let me just tell you that this will apply bank wise and not account number wise in one bank. But if you withdrew rupees 80 lakhs from SBI and balance rupees 40 lakhs from some other bank, say Indian Bank, then in that case there won't be any TDS as the limit is bank specific. Alright, so coming to introduction of two proviso in this section during Finance Act 2020. Okay, so the first being the government has lowered the limit to 20 lakhs for those person who did not file their income tax return for three preceding previous year before the due dates immediately preceding the current previous year. That means if in 2020-21 you withdrew cash in excess of 20 lakhs and not filed your income tax return for three preceding financial year before the due dates, then the limit of TDS for you is 20 lakhs and not 1 crore. The rate of tax will be 2% for cash withdrawal in excess of 20 lakhs and less than a crore during the year. But if you withdraw cash in excess of 1 crore, then on such excess TDS will be deducted at 5%. In short, if you're a person who filed your income tax return on or before due date of three preceding financial year, then the newly introduced proviso or you can say the condition will not apply to you. And what was that in financial year 2019-20? Same provision will apply to you. That is, limit is set as 1 crore. Okay, so coming facts. So keeping the facts of early example same and just a change of year in dates, you can observe that there is no change in TDS as compared to situation in financial year 2019-20. Likewise, for financial year 2020-21, the person got the same amount 40,000 deducted from bank as TDS on cash withdrawal when he withdrew 1.2 crores from the bank. So this example is for a person who filed his income tax return. So the next example is for a person who has not filed his income tax return. Okay. However, in this case, individual has not filed his return, hence TDS has been deducted by bank at 2% for cash withdrawal in excess of 20 lakhs and 5% for cash withdrawal in excess of 1 crore. The other proviso introduced in this section is the central government, in consultation with RBI through official gazette, will specify to whom this 20 lakhs limit will apply or not apply. So I've covered the two introduced proviso in Finance Act 2020 to this section. So coming to the questions. First is, what is the reason for deferring the applicability of amended section? The reason for making it applicable from 1st July 2020 is to give some time to bank to update their softwares. The second is, what is the rate of TDS where the recipient does not hold PAN or is not required to hold one? There is no specific answer, so I assume TDS to be deducted at 2% only. The next question is, can we submit lower TDS certificate for the purpose of section 194N? The answer is no. Lower TDS certificate cannot be issued for 194N. And the last question is, can we take credit of TDS deducted from cash withdrawal? Yes, credit can be taken for TDS on cash withdrawal. Okay guys, so I wanted to express this section in simplified manner and did not want it to bore you out while reading it out from the act. However, I have mentioned the extract of the act in description below, and if you want me to put a video on reading from the act, then do comment below. Also, before I end my presentation, I just want to take you to a very small concept over here which you'll be knowing, that is, nothing contained in this section shall apply to any payment made to the government, any banking company, or cooperative society in business, banking business, or a post office. Then any business correspondent of a banking company, that is either of the three parties which I've mentioned earlier. Then any white label automated teller machine operator of a banking company or a cooperative society. And yeah, I think that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.
I hope this video was informative to you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, then do hit the like button and share this video with your peers. In case you have any doubts, kindly comment below or mail it to me and I will try my best to resolve all your doubts. In case you like what I post, then do subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.